Welcome to Gear Grinders, your trusted source for the latest and greatest in vehicles built for adventure. Today, we're shifting gears from raw speed to rugged versatility with a deep dive into the all-new 2025 Chevrolet Motorhome Camper Truck. Whether you're a weekend warrior, a full-time traveler, or just someone dreaming of the open road, this innovative vehicle promises to redefine your idea of mobile living. Let's take a closer look at what makes this camper truck a true game-changer in the ever-growing world of overland exploration. Design and aesthetics. At first glance, the 2025 Chevy camper truck strikes an imposing presence. Built on a reinforced Silverado HD chassis, the design blends rugged durability with modern elegance. The front fascia retains Chevrolet's bold grille and LED lighting signature, while the camper portion seamlessly integrates with the truck body, giving it a unified and aerodynamic look. Inside, the cabin offers a luxurious blend of function and comfort, including leather seating, premium finishes, and clever storage solutions throughout. Color options include earth-toned palettes and adventurous two-tone schemes that perfectly fit the nomadic lifestyle. Performance and powertrain. Under the hood, the 2025 model offers two powertrain choices, a 6.6L Duramax turbo diesel V8 or a gas-powered V8, both mated to a 10-speed automatic transmission. Expect powerful towing capacity and excellent torque delivery, perfect for hauling gear or towing additional trailers. What really sets this model apart is its off-grid capability. Chevrolet has introduced an integrated solar power system, a high-capacity lithium battery bank, and optional all-wheel drive with terrain management modes, making it just as ready for remote trails as it is for highway cruising. The reinforced suspension and high ground clearance ensure maximum confidence over rocks, dirt, and uneven terrain. Living amenities and technology. Step into the camper section and you're welcomed by a smart, space-efficient layout. The 2025 camper truck includes a queen-size bed, kitchenette with induction cooktop, wet bath, and convertible seating area. Climate control is handled by an efficient HVAC system, and the onboard tech includes a touchscreen control panel, satellite connectivity, and a robust infotainment system synced with both the truck and camper functions. Safety tech includes lane keeping assist, adaptive cruise control, blind spot monitoring, and a 360-degree camera system for stress-free maneuvering in tight spots. Conclusion. The 2025 Chevrolet Motorhome Camper Truck is more than a vehicle, it's a mobile lifestyle statement. With its powerful drivetrain, modern living quarters, and go-anywhere attitude, it's built for those who refuse to choose between comfort and adventure. Whether you're crossing the country or setting up camp in the wild, this Chevy camper truck is ready to be your home on wheels. For more updates, stay tuned to Gear Grinders.